Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to a new video. As always, I hope you are very well. This time I bring you the solution to AIDS with the ARL. Regularly when we enter the app, it tells us that we must configure the ARL in order to download music. Very well. The solution that I am going to show you is quite simple. The first thing we are going to do is download an application. I'm going to leave the link in the description of the video so that you can download and install it easily. When they have already downloaded and installed it, we will proceed to open it. As you can see, the interface is very simple. We only have one button that says Generate ARL Token. Let's click it. And as you can see here, it says while we generate your token, it is necessary that you see a video. We give you accept. Okay, the video is started, and as you can see in the upper right we have a countdown. The video is very short, we just wait for it to finish so we can click on the X. Ready! We already have our token. Now we give you copy. Then we go to the application that we use to download our music. For example, AIDS. We go directly to the settings, and in ARL we paste what we have copied. Now we accept. Now to test, we are going to download a song. And here in the notifications we see that the download has started. Next we are going to enter the same token generated in DESCARGA. We also go directly to the settings. We paste the token and give it update token. As you can see, we have already logged in, so you are ready to download our music. For example, we are going to search for a song. And at the top it also starts the download very quickly. That would be all, friends. I hope this video has served you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.